Micro-cellular is a proprietary technology used in injection molding processes. It is developed and marketed by Trexel Incorporated, a company specializing in advanced plastics processing solutions. Micro-cellular stands for microcellular foaming technology, and it offers several benefits compared to traditional injection molding methods. The micro-cellular process involves the injection of a supercritical fluid, typically nitrogen or carbon dioxide, into the polymer melt during the molding process. The supercritical fluid creates a microcellular structure within the molded part, resulting in a foamed or cellular material. This microcellular structure consists of small bubbles or cells dispersed throughout the polymer matrix. The introduction of microcellular foaming brings several advantages to the injection molding process. Weight reduction. The foaming effect achieved with micro-cellular technology allows us to produce lightweight parts while maintaining mechanical strength. This can lead to material savings, reduced energy consumption, and lower shipping costs. Improved dimensional stability. The microcellular structure created by micro-cellular helps to reduce shrinkage and warpage in molded parts, resulting in improved dimensional stability and tighter tolerances. Enhanced surface finish. The foam structure can provide a smoother and more uniform surface finish, reducing the need for secondary operations such as sanding or painting. Material savings. The foaming effect allows for a reduction in the amount of material required to produce a part without sacrificing its structural integrity. This can result in significant material cost savings over time. Cycle time reduction. The foaming process facilitates faster cooling of the part, which can lead to shorter cycle times and increased productivity. Improved material properties. The microcellular structure can enhance certain material properties such as impact resistance, stiffness, and thermal insulation. Micro-cellular technology is used in various industries, including automotive, consumer products, packaging, and medical devices. It has found applications in a wide range of parts, such as automotive components, cosmetic packaging, sporting goods, and electronic enclosures. It's important to note that the micro-cellular technology is a proprietary process developed by Trexel Incorporated, and they provide the necessary equipment, software, and technical support to implement the technology into existing injection molding machines.